Hello, it's Dennis here, an UpWork top-rated freelancer. And currently, UpWork takes your hard-earned money for sending invitations through the platform. In this video, we'll go through pros and cons of this UpWork's move, why they did it, how to make this transition as soft as possible for you, and I will tell you my opinion if it still makes sense to use UpWork or it's time to find something new. So if you stick till the end of this video, you will see my personal next steps on how I'm planning to deal with this, and you will be able to take the most money-wise decision if you should stay on UpWork or not. So grab your cup of coffee and let's begin. Not so long ago, UpWork started bombarding freelancers with emails that alert us that we will have to pay for our connects. The official reason is that businesses looking for freelancers tell UpWork that it can be a challenge to recognize the right talent when faced with a large number of proposals, that UpWork focuses on professional freelancers. And in other, more cruel words, these and my other words in this video are my personal humble opinion, not a fact. I have no proof, only my imaginations. Please don't sue me. UpWork has too many freelancers and it would like to cut underperforming ones. And here is the list of changes that were made. Now you have to pay 15 cents for each connect, and each apply for a job costs from 1 to 6 connects depending on the price, duration and other stuff from the job description. Connects must be bought in batches, and the Freelancer Plus plan will increase in price from $10 per month to almost $15 per month. The Agency Plus plans will stay at $20 per month but will no longer include any connects. You will have to purchase them. And now I will tell you why I start to be concerned with this update. UpWork already charges a lot of fees both from clients and freelancers. Let's just calculate. 20% fee from the freelancer side. Then add to this 3% fee from the client side, and yeah, they charge your clients too. Also add to this monthly fees for the Freelancer Pro account if you want to improve your sale, and add monthly fees for the Client Plus account if your client wants to have better reporting. And also they won't let you forget about a tiny withdrawal fee. And look, UpWork, you make me use another hand to calculate your new fee, and it's insane. Also, I don't want even mention various payment gateway fees, but I've already did it, and all this before taxes. It's like another government to pay to, and looks like the only thing that has left for free is to hit the like button. I really appreciate it, and I promise this will stay always free. And this helps me dramatically to spread this message. Please. Furthermore, in my area, it's almost never possible to estimate any project accurately enough. Especially after a few brief lines, we cannot tell you anything unless you sign an NDA. And UpWork states that you will spend only $3 per a small job, $6 per medium, and $9 to find a big contract. So for me and my type of project, each apply will cost almost $1. And this leads us to two major areas UpWork tries to improve on: quality of freelancers and quality of clients. And this is the step that is aimed toward freelancers, but I see no steps taken to filter out scammy or unreliable clients. And my contracts last for years, and I have to be very selective about clients I work with. I'll have to communicate and work with this person for more than a year, and I have to like that person. I'm evaluating not only job but him too, and now it's almost impossible to do so without spending real money for each potential client. The most serious hit was taken by freelancers that prefer or have to take small jobs due to their professional area. As UpWork states, a small job with the price of $49 or less will take additional $3 on average, what is quite optimistic in my humble opinion, including the amount of irresponsible or just unsophisticated clients. After a few simple calculations, we find out that this is an additional 6.1% fee on top of a 20% fee that stays there. 26% of commissions only from the freelancer side. Don't forget to add other commissions I mentioned before. Looks like a ripoff. Of course, in my humble opinion only. So, if this change is so bad and UpWork wants only to make freelancers more connect-wise, why did they make freelancers to pay instead of shortening the amount of free connects? Well, money. Upwork has about 1 million active freelancers. If each of them buys at least 10 connects every month, which is the smallest tier, this new fee will earn additional 1.5 million for Upwork. Nice for them. And the second reason is that they want to push off the platform most of the small job-oriented freelancers and embrace long-term relationships. This reduces the amount of time you use Upwork and increases time you work through Upwork. Okay, we've discussed the bad side of this change, but do we receive anything positive at all? Well, bots will be unusable anymore. I've never used one and was against them anyway, but this should reduce clutter and spam. And for sure, I've noticed a small decrease in amount of bids per typical project I'm interested in. Personally, I didn't suffer from competition and spamming messages, but this is something. And now, let's discuss how you can soften your transition to this new update. Fortunately, Upwork gives us tools to reduce the amount of spent dollars on connects. New freelancers will begin a one-time bonus of 20 connects so they can trial the platform before purchasing additional connects. Also, Rising Talent freelancers will continue to receive a one-time bonus of 30 connects when they receive their status. If you are a novice, definitely check out my videos on how to get Rising Talent badge and how to find your first job on Upwork. Links should appear somewhere here, but if you have disabled your annotations, both links are waiting down in the description. Just watching those videos will help you to find your first job basically for free. Upwork also took a few steps towards pro freelancers, and current top-rated and agencies were given 60 connects to help with this transition. But the average majority of freelancers were unfortunately left behind, and I didn't find any ways to soften the transition for them. If you know any ways, just let me and other people know about it. Also, another good thing worth mentioning is that if the job didn't have a hire, you will be returned to your connects. Obviously, Upwork cannot guarantee that this feature will work perfectly in all the cases, but overall, this should save a few connects. So, will I personally leave Upwork, and do I encourage you to do so? Definitely no. But if you are a top-rated freelancer and or have a strong profile and or prefer big projects, my profile is a good one and I'm used to Upwork, and this additional $20 per fee is bearable. But this change made me feel very insecure about Upwork and its reliability. They may change anything if they want to earn more, and they definitely won't. So if you prefer small or medium-sized projects, I feel that it's time to prepare a backup plan, and you should definitely subscribe to my channel. In one of my next videos, I'll give a chance to other platforms and I will compare them and will try to find jobs there. And of course, we'll share with you my findings. As I said before, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell if you don't want to miss that out. And as always, thanks for watching my video. Do not be shy to comment down below, especially if you have any questions. And if not, comment for the YouTube algorithm. I'm always reading and answering to pretty much all the questions. And don't forget to tap that subscribe button if you haven't done already. Thanks and bye.